What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Joven and Crow fam. I am back with some more bullish content for you guys. In this video, we're just gonna be covering any daily news, any information that I saw on Crow today, and we're just gonna dive into it. Crow right now sitting at less than $2 billion in market cap, just down 3%. You know, today is a corrective day for the markets in general. We can see Bitcoin and Ethereum also making a move down. That is understandable, guys. Honestly though, can't wait for Crow phase 2, because once Crow phase 2 takes place, it's gonna be crazy. Okay, ZK technology for Crow. I'm gonna show you guys what that could mean for Crow in the future with a tweet that crypto.com actually put out, and how it could tie right back into Crow and its success. Right now, you can see right here, the top market mover is down 1.4%, so that is why we're seeing Crow down 3%. Bitcoin is the lead market mover, so wherever Bitcoin goes, expect altcoins to follow. Crow, strong coin, strong crypto. Okay, if there was an asset you were gonna invest in crypto that wasn't a scam, that wasn't, you know, you're gonna be like have like shakes at night because you're like, what if my investment goes to zero? This is not the case with Crow. Okay, this is a asset that you could invest. Especially right now, the market is still super down from where it's been. Even on the 3-month, the bottom for Crow probably was in at 0.56 cents, right? So the bottom for Crow is more than likely in already, and now is the time you start to DCA into the project, right? Because when the bull market comes back, we're gonna see this huge parabola once again. So it's pretty much, to me, from my standpoint, we're gonna be in an accumulation phase, but the trend will be up and to the right, just like back here in 2019. It's gonna be up and to the right, retraces along the way, and then huge parabola. So that's what we're gonna see going into maybe 2023, the whole of 2023, going into 2024, right? So like I said, one of the assets in the space that you could definitely be like, okay, I'm gonna invest in this, and you know, I know I'm gonna be straight as far as like profit in the future. This is one of the strongest projects in the space, and you wouldn't have to worry about your investment at all. Okay, if you're looking for more gains though, that's when you start to look at smaller cap projects. But if you're looking for, you know, more, let's just say 80 to 90% guaranteed gains, that's when you look. This is a project you have to, you know, look at. Crow is one of those projects. From crypto.com, as a founding partner of Investopia Summit, we're excited to be in Abu Dhabi this week for this year's event. Catch our very own president and COO Eric Node discussing the fintech revolution on Thursday. So even like the company itself, right? I always say this. Crypto.com is going to be like the Amazon of crypto, one of the biggest brands that everyone knows, everyone uses, super huge amount of mass adoption. Everyone like that get into the space, that's new to the space, they're going to be using Crypto.com, and the team, the company is always pushing and getting the word out there. Guys, please, if you are enjoying the content, support the channel. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Support my previous Crow video, this one right here and this one, where I talk about Cronos phase 2 and why all you need is 10,000 Crow. Now obviously there's people that go for the 100,000, and you know, that's great. The average person, I think, could only afford the 10,000, but either way, you will still walk away with great gains that way, guys. And you can't be upset, even if it goes back to its all-time high, $1,000 to $10,000, a 10x. You know, in crypto, people might be like, well, that's not that much. Guys, think about the stock market. In the stock market, you know, in the stock market, you get a 50%, 100% move, a 2x. People will think you're a super Chad. Okay, a 10x in crypto is something that you should be happy about. Okay, you should be thankful for. And that will be a safe 10x. It's not like you're gonna invest that $1,000 and think, and then all of a sudden it goes to zero. Who knows how far Crow could go in the future as well. It could hit $2, $3, right? I'm telling you guys, support the channel if you can. Like, comment, subscribe if you're getting value. And also, please become a channel member so you could get all of my news updates early and shout outs in my future videos. Right here, crypto.com, institutional. Attention VIPs, advanced and institutional traders. Be the first to learn about our customized staking solution, upcoming assets, preferential service, and more. All coming your way soon. A better on-chain staking experience awaits. Okay, so let's go into it. Staking solutions that fit your profile. Ahead of the competition, apart from usual rewards for staking your favorite token, you could also expect customized solutions. Enjoy the potential for high staking rewards based on your relationship with us. Preview of new assets. Always be the first to know about upcoming assets available for on-chain staking, along with new protocol rollouts. White glove service. Get in touch with our sales representatives anytime through your preferred communication method. Guys, like I said, the company of crypto.com, the company itself, is one of the most bullish companies in the space that will crush it as the years go by. This is why it's called investing. Warren Buffett only got to billions after years, okay? Have to exercise patience, guys. That 10,000 crow, imagine you hold that 10,000 crow 10-15 years later, how much it will be worth. Guys, think about that. Now, many people don't want to wait that long, I understand, but even if you just hold until the next cycle, you'll be rewarded handsomely with that 10,000 crow. So love to see this update, especially with the SEC clamping down on staking. Crypto.com is being innovative with their staking solutions. Crypto.com research and insights, weekly DeFi plus L1 layer 2 update. This is what I was talking about earlier. Cronos, as far as L2, is number 10 TVL of top chains. These are all the chains in the space. There's 22,733 crypto, and in the top 10 of TVL, total value locked, which really helps the sustainability and development of a project. The more money that's locked into its ecosystem, the stronger it becomes. Cronos is number 10, right? If we take a look right here, number 4 is Arbitrum and number 7 is Optimism. These are what you call layer 2 scaling solutions, right? These are what you call roll-up ZK projects. They are in the top 10 and they're very recent because layer 2 and ZK technology is the next layer that will be moving on after we move on from layer 1 technology, right? So this is why you see Polygon as well in number 5, because it is a layer 2 ZK scaling solution. Cronos phase 2, thanks to Francis Wong breaking it down. He put out a thread that I covered in my previous video right here about Crow stepping into that lane of being a layer 2 scaling ZK, implementing ZK technology. So imagine the amount of TVL that increases, because right now Crow is just a layer 1. Imagine the amount of TVL and sustained increase in its ecosystem and TVL in the future, which then will lead to more global adoption for Crow, more projects building, more users in the ecosystem, and that will also lead to price increase. Now, shouldn't focus on price because it is a great utility project, but it's just a cherry on top. It's just a cherry on top, guys. Which crypto are you buying this month? Let me know in the comment section, guys. Which crypto are you buying this month? Are you buying more Crow? Let me know. Francis Wong, like I said, great person on Twitter, showing love to me as well. And he made the great thread about Cronos phase 2, which got me so bullish on Crow. March is here, DCA start again. Crow will do great once bull run returns, and that is a fact. See right here, scooping up some more Crow, and people in the community. The boss is back. Crypto Wizard, Mr. Aya, need to increase one more 8 for March. Ami, celebrating, and everybody here. Charlotte's Web, Crow, buy Crow from Lion. Everybody in the community, man, love to see it. Shout out to the Crow fam. We know this project will absolutely go bonkers in the next cycle. Messina 1, breaking news, we are thrilled to announce the launch of Crow on the Algorand blockchain. Get ready for a new era of fast, secure, and scalable transactions. So Crow getting on Ethereum and Algorand blockchains, right? Hasn't updated as yet on CoinMarketCap. So that's good news. Crow adoption. So Francis Wong, so it is legitimate. Just wanted to make sure. Once Francis Wong is there, you know it's legit. But yeah, this just makes it easier for people on different blockchains to get Crow, right? Which will then help to increase the ecosystem, help to maximize the ecosystem, help for more investors to become a part of the Crow fam, which is super bullish. And from fact.crow, 100 Crow a day keeps bosses repaid. I'm telling you, man, super bullish. He has his Crow staked, and it all just takes patience. DCA, diamond hand, wait for the bull. That's all it takes, right? Crow fam, thank you guys so much for tuning in. I really appreciate the support on the videos. If you enjoyed it, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell to support the channel even further. Become a channel member for shout outs in my future videos and news updates by alerts early, right? Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.